Alright, so let's talk about Facebook Meta. The stock has been getting absolutely lit up for the last couple of days, to the tune of about a $250 billion reduction in market cap during this period. So the core question becomes, is at these levels, is it a good buy? Let's open it up and take a look. So on their earnings call as of yesterday, they talked about how they would focus on 7 key areas in 2022. They're listed right here. They talked about Reels because of course TikTok's eating their lunch. They talked about community messaging in terms of how they're looking to expand WhatsApp and its capabilities. They talked about expansion in shopping and commerce. Ads is pretty self-explanatory. They talked about privacy, which made me laugh a little bit, because they also talked about investing in AI in order to make ads a little bit more relevant to individuals, kind of like dovetailing into that whole privacy conversation. And of course, there's the metaverse as well. So basically lots of focus areas, but with that said, some of these do have some ethical related concerns, and to others they're just generally speaking late to the market, excluding of course the metaverse. Now let's pivot and take a look at their technicals. Their P/E isn't that bad at all. These metrics right here certainly do not make the stock appear expensive, and these measures, and of course these measures as well are all pretty good. They did miss on consensus EPS for the first time in a while, and their revenue and earnings both continue to improve. Net, they're also more insider buyers relative to sellers. So what does this all mean? Well, in my opinion, I think the stock has been unduly hammered in the last 48 hours. But with that said, I also would not foray into the stock as an investment, largely due to the fact that I'm not that confident in a lot of their 2022 strategies, just because I think they're behind the 8 ball in a lot of the categories. And the metaverse, for that matter, is a greenfield opportunity, so there's a significant amount of evaluation that needs to take place in terms of where that is potentially headed. And this company's ethical related concerns does not sit well with me either. If you want to play tech, there's other places to put your money. And if you want to invest in the metaverse, there's other opportunities as well. But these are just my thoughts. Include your opinions in the comments below, and this is not financial advice.